Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video we are going to learn how to add outline to shape in Canva. First step is to open your browser. Now on the search bar type in canva.com. After opening this Canva page, you can see create a design button on the top right corner. Click on it and select your desired design. Now you can see different options on the left side. Click on the elements and here you can see the shapes option. Click on see all. Now select any of your desired shape from here. I'm using this one. If you want to change the color of the shape, you can click here and change it to your preference. Now to add outline, you can see this option which says border style. Click on it and if you increase the border weight, then it will create an outline. Following this simple step, you can now add outline into the shape using Canva. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.